Hey there, Super Explorers. Welcome to the ultimate A to Z petting zoo adventure. A for alpaca, soft and fluffy with long necks. Alpacas love to munch hay and give gentle nuzzles. So fuzzy and tall, pet its woolly coat and hear its funny call. B, bunny or rabbit. Bunnies are soft, hoppy, and love carrots. They have big ears to hear everything. With a twitchy nose, hop, hop, hop. Watch it go. C, chicken. Chickens cluck and lay eggs. Many petting zoos have friendly ones that eat from your hand. Cluck, cluck, cluck. Fluffy feathers and a peck for luck. D for donkey. Donkeys are smart and friendly, with big ears and a loud hee-haw. Strong and gray, it says hee-haw to brighten your day. Yay! E for emu. Tall birds that run fast and have soft feathers. They're curious and like to peck around, tall as can be, running and strutting for you to see. Woohoo! F for fish. Colorful fish swim in ponds or touch pools. Some are bold and swim right up to your fingers, swimming so free, colorful fins flashing for you and me. G for guinea pig, small, cuddly, and squeaky. They have cute little legs and love veggies, round and sweet. Squeak, squeak, what a treat. H for horse or mini horse. Gentle giants or minis that love to be brushed and fed apples, with a shiny mane, trot along in the sun or rain. I for iguana. Green lizards that bask in the sun and have cool spiky backs, sunning so bright, scales shining in the light. For jaguar. Beautiful big cats with spotted coats. They are strong, sleek, and fun to watch. Sleek and bold, with spots like stars. Beautiful to behold. K for kangaroo. They hop on strong legs and carry babies in pouches. Jump, jump high. Pouch for baby. Oh my. L for llama. Like alpacas, but bigger, with long necks. They sometimes spit when grumpy. Tall and proud. Say hello nice and loud. M for mini pig. Cute, smart pigs that roll in mud and oink happily. Pink and round, snorting happily on the ground. N for nanny goat. Female goats are called nannies, great for petting and feeding, sweet and kind, munching hay, one of a kind. O for ostrich. Huge birds that can't fly but run super fast with long legs. Legs so long, running fast, sing a song. P for pony. Small horses perfect for gentle rides or pets, small and sweet. Ride or pet, what a treat. Q for quail. Small birds that scurry around and make cute calls. Quick on the ground, little bird making a chirpy sound. R for rabbit. Soft, fluffy, and super cuddly, with twitchy noses and big ears. Hop, 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 wiggle your nose and never stop. S for sheep. Fluffy, woolly friends that say bah in love grass. Wool so white, bah, bah, what a sight. T for turkey. Big birds with fancy tails that gobble, 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 go. Strut around, hello, hello. U for umbrella bird. A cool bird with a fancy crest on its head that looks like an umbrella. Crest up high, looking cool as it flies by. V for vulture. Vultures are big birds with strong wings. They help keep the environment clean by eating leftover food, flying up high with big, strong wings across the sky. W for wallaby. They hop and are very bouncy. Hop, hop, hop in the grass, never stop. X for xeris, or you can just call it an African ground squirrel. A bushy-tailed squirrel that digs and plays, squirrel so spry, Digging tunnels. Oh my my. Y for yak. Big, shaggy animals with long hair for cold weather, hairy and strong, mooing loud all day long. Z for zebra. Striped horses that run in herds. Black and white stripes, galloping fast. What a sight! And that's our super fun A to Z petting zoo adventure. From the fluffy alpaca all the way to the stripy zebra, we met so many amazing animal friends today. Which one was your favorite? Was it the bouncy bunny? The silly goat? The speedy jaguar? Or the cool umbrella bird? Tell us in the comments below. Remember, when you visit a real petting zoo, always be gentle and move slowly. Wash your hands after petting the animals. Only feed the animals what the zoo says is okay. Thanks for exploring with us. If you loved this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe for more animal adventures, and share it with your friends. See you next time at the zoo, or maybe on another alphabet journey. Bye-bye.
I hope today you learned something interesting as you're. See you in the next video. Until then, keep learning and be safe.